How to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. So if you want to recover your Facebook account without the email and phone number, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser and search for compromised Facebook account. And after that, you just need to simply go with the first one, which is www.facebook.com, and you will have report compromised account. It'll take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with my account is compromised, which is on the left side. And now you need to enter your mobile number or the email address that you think was hacked or in which you don't have the access to your email or phone number. So just enter the email address associated with that account, even if you don't have access. So go with continue and it will show you the account. So you just need to simply tap on recover. If you want to recover the account, go with bottom, recover, tap on it. And now you need to do these steps and your account will be recovered. So the first thing is you need to set a new login phone number or an email. If you don't have access to the previous one, then just leave it. Just go and set a new login phone number or email. And after that, you need to confirm if it's you or not that is trying to log in. And on the third one, you need to look out for new message. So Facebook will text you or email you with one final step to get back to your Facebook. So if you're okay with these steps, or if you're able to do these steps, then you can go with start, which is on the bottom. And the first step is you need to set your email or your mobile number. So you need to enter your new email or your mobile number that you will use on your Facebook from now onwards. And after that, you need to go with get code, which is on the bottom, and you will receive the code to your email, or if you've entered your email, or the mobile number if you've entered the mobile number. And after entering that code, your first step will be completed, and then you need to confirm that it's you that is trying to log into the account. And after following these steps, then you will be able to recover your Facebook account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.